This is the Crypto Entrepreneur, and today we're going, or I should say tonight, we're actually gonna go a little bit into how to trade on an exchange and not get ripped off. And for this video, we're going to use Bittrex. Bittrex is my favorite exchange. Probably because I used to be a big AaronAG fan until they just turned into a shit show. I would not recommend trading on AaronAG anymore. They are having a plethora of issues lately. But anywho, I'm going to basically show you how to trade without getting ripped off. Um, and I'm not going to show you how to trade the technicals. This is basically just if you want to buy a coin but you don't want to pay too much for it. This is just how I trade, and you guys can take whatever you want from that. So over on the right here, I have a list of things I want to buy. The stuff in bold is on Bittrex, so I'm going to buy these right now and just kind of walk you through how I do this. So we'll start with NIM XEM. So let's go over to XEM. And how much do I want to buy? All right, so I decided I want to buy 0.3 Bitcoin. So what I'll do initially is I'll look at the spread here. So that's basically the spread between what people are bidding, aka the buyers, and what people are selling it for. So the spread's pretty thin, 81.21 to 81.23. So at this rate, I'd probably go ahead and well, look, now we've dropped a little bit. So I'll do what we usually do is I'll put in a bid for the highest bid right now. So basically what you're doing is you're not paying market price for it. You're paying what the highest bid is. A lot of people, what they'll do is they'll just go on here and they'll click, okay, let's trade, and basically it'll give you what the highest ask is, which sometimes the highest ask or the last price is like way higher than what you should be paying for. So this is why I'm doing the video. So let's see. So I want to go ahead and go in around the highest price. So click on it, 80.40. That's around the highest price right now. I want to buy 0.3 Bitcoin of it, which comes out to about 37.22. And you see the highest price is even raising a little bit. So what we'll do is we'll put a bid in there a little bit above the highest price. And it keeps going up. So let's put it in for 80.60. Buy NIM. And voila. We're on top, and you see my orders are already getting filled. And basically what I'll do is, I'll kind of wait that out, and I'll go ahead and I'll buy my next coin. If I come back here within like an hour or so and I still have coins left that haven't been bought, then I'll cancel my remaining order and we'll get into that. But anyways, all right, so I'm going to go to my next coin now, Vox. And I want to buy, I think, 0.2 Vox. So all right, and you see that the spread here is about the same. So what I'm gonna do 1990.2, and I'm actually gonna put it in for 1991, just a little bit higher, just so we're the highest bid. Go ahead, buy voxels, confirm. So now you see we're 1991. We're a little bit above. It's already getting filled, which is good. We're a little bit above the highest bid, so we're not overpaying. We're not paying over 2,000. Hopefully, we're paying a little bit below that. All right, next coin, Trust Coin. I used to own Trust Coin, and I'm buying it back because I think it's cheap right now. And we want to do about 0.2 Trust Coin, and the spread is pretty significant here. So we're gonna go. We're gonna raise this a little bit. So you guys understand what I'm doing. I'm basically taking the highest bid and I'm bidding just like a tiny bit more, so I'm on top, but I'm not bidding too much. So we're actually going to raise this to 54.20. All right, buy trust coin. All right, that's not good. Where'd we go wrong here? All right, what do we have left? Ooh, that's right. I threw too much to my other wallet, so let's do we'll have to send a little bit more Bitcoin, but for now, you guys can get the gist of it. So 54.18, and let's just go max. Okay, confirm. Let's buy. So now we're at the top here. Well, for a few seconds. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my open orders. And as you can see, they haven't been filled yet. So I'm going to go back to NIM. I'm going to see if we're still the top. So no, we're not. We're not at the top here, which means it's gone up, you know, a little bit since we last bid. So you know, I'll raise it up a little bit. Okay. So yeah, now we're a little bit higher. Hopefully that gets filled. What happens is if this doesn't get filled within, well, here's actually a good scenario. So you see how the spread is so thin here. I'll just go ahead here, 81.08, and I'll buy it from this guy to 81.08 because the spread between 106 and 08 was so thin, I might as well just put it in for that. And you see my order's getting chopped up now. I've only got a little bit left. Let's go look at my other open orders. So what we're doing here is we're paying the least amount that we can. So 1991, we're still the highest. I don't think anything's been filled yet. If it sits here for another hour, again, I'll raise it up, you know, somewhere kind of close. But for now, we're just going to leave it there. Because what happens is, since we're one of the bigger sized orders on here, someone's going to come in who wants to sell their voxels. And they're going to see, oh, he's selling like a decent amount. So maybe I'll just sell it at that price right there. It's not too far away. And as you can see, it's happening right now. Vox is being filled. So, you know, I don't know how much we've filled of that so far, but almost the whole thing. You see down here, 9,000 and some, and I wanted about 10,000, I believe. So yeah, we're getting close to filling the whole thing. All right. So that's basically the video. You know, nothing too complicated here. I just don't want people to go in and market buy their coins and then they're like, oh, like, you know, I didn't get as good as returns as I thought I got. It said the coin was at $7, but apparently I got it at $8. If you do it this way, then at least you know you're getting one of the best possible prices you can on the exchange, as opposed to going in there and put in whatever price that you want. So that's pretty much the video. Maybe I'll do some other exchanges. Like I do use Bitfinex a little bit. Maybe we'll do that another time. But for now, we'll do Bittrex. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for listening in, and subscribe if you like and you want to see more videos.